Okay guys, I thought it was over, but it's not. About an hour into the burn-in, I noticed that my score I put up was gone, so I knew it reset. And then I tried starting a game and it just flaked out and was flaky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up from here over. This whole area over here. So I'm going to remove everything from this line over. I'm going to clean these traces. I'm going to clean everything over here. And I'm going to replace everything over here. Because I know it's this board. So that is going to do it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean up because this does look kind of nasty. And I've kind of already made a little map of what is what. U3 I can't read it, I don't know. I'll just look at the schematic. Find out what it is. But yeah. Cleaning up this area. I'll sand down all of the corrosion and stuff and replace all of this stuff. Remove these caps I put in, remove that, all of the caps, everything, so that I can clean this stuff up. So that will be next. I thought I was done, but I'm not. So I'll get to it. Hi guys. Well, we're back. A good Samaritan viewer was viewing my video and saw this and sent me this. And I'm glad he did because I can't see this. I'm almost 50 years old and my eyes are not what they used to be, even with the glasses. But this is a nice blown up picture of my video, and you can clearly see that crack there? See that crack? See that one's cracked? That one I can't tell if that's a crack or if that's just a shadow. But those are obviously cracked. And if I move over, can I do that? No, I'll have to come right back. I'll pull up another picture. I'll be right back. Okay, and here is the other picture. If you look over here, that is, see that? Then pan over. It's got 3 little spots on it. And see that? So I'm going to go ahead. This is on that memory PCB, the same one that I found the other problems with. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just jump every trace. Not jump them, but I'm going to make sure that every one of the connections is made solidly. So I'm going to do that. Let's do it. Okay, so I did go through and I redid all of those connections that looked funky. Well, I did on the back side of the board. I'm going to closer examine the front side of this board because it's still flaky. You know, it was working good, but now it's not. Now it is doing this. I'll show you. You coin it up. And then you start and watch. Totally flaky. It'll do this a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, and then it'll reset. Just like that. So I'm going to check the top side of this thing and make sure everything looks good here. Okay, guys. I don't see anything wrong with the top side of this board. Hello. Get out from back there, you idiot. Live monitor. Goodness gracious. That was fun. All right. Where was I? Okay. This thing's still acting flaky. So, see this area? I don't like this. It is suffering some corrosion. See that stuff? A little bit of green right there still. This is all good right here. But up in this area, still a little green. That's not terrible. There are ROMs. I think I'm going to remove from here over everything from right here. I might even remove all these 10K resistors and clean that area up. But I'm definitely removing everything right from here over. And I'm going to clean up this area. And down into here. I'm going to replace everything over here. All the resistors and caps and everything. Just clean from here over. And I probably will do this stuff too. And I'm going to take and do a light sanding, like a wet sanding almost. And remove this corrosion crap that's up here. Try to get that off the board. Do another little vinegar wash over this portion. Replace all of this. And then see what we got. Because I just don't like this. I don't like it from here over. So I'm going to do that. Alright, I just kind of wanted to put a little bit of a charge into the battery and let you guys see what I'm doing here. I've already desoldered these chips. And I'm putting all my stuff that I take off the board in here. I'm cutting these capacitors and stuff off because the pin leads are like folded over underneath, and it's easier to just cut everything off and do the old pick and pull. But this board is nasty through here, and this needed to be done. I'll give you a nice close-up of it when I'm through with this. But yeah, this had to be done. So this board is nasty through here. I'm doing all of these 10K guys too. Okay. Okay, these guys are okay, I think. Yeah. So now we're going to pick and pull all of these little leads. I'm going to tin this guy up really good. It's always good to suck up some fresh solder. Find a good ground plane. Suck some fresh solder into this thing, and it's well tinned now. There's a little tip for you today. That's what I do all the time. My repairs, you'll see little solder spots like that from when I do that. So, okay, we're going to start picking all of this garbage out of here. Let me answer this really quick. Okay. All right, let's do this. I'm going to grab this guy. And let's get to picking. You know what? Nope. Let's do this first. Come on. I do not want to suck these things up into the soldering iron. I really do. I can't do that. I don't want to suck these up into the iron. So this might go out of frame, and I apologize. I'm just going to back it up. You're not going to have a good view, really, but you'll get to see what I'm doing at least. I'm going to grab onto it. Well, this one I desoldered. Kind of. That one I did. And that one. Okay. I might be able to do this top side. Yeah, I can do this top side. Yeah. You son of a bitch. Yep. That's just getting to be too corroded. I should be able to get it from back here though. It's a lot of picking and pulling, I tell you. Just make sure it's flowed good before you pull it out of there. Okay. We're cruising along now. Cruising right along. I'm going to take a break to clean up my mess. Got a lot of leads pulled out. Get them out of here. Okay. And we're getting there. Got all these 10K guys to get yet. Might be able to get them from the top. Maybe. If you're doing this and you can't see that solder actually flow and see the pin move, do it from the back side. And And when you're dealing with boards that are this bad like this, if you're got the vias, there's nothing connected on top side, and you happen to pull the little pad up off the top, if there's nothing going to it, I don't stress out about it. When the boards are like this, I mean, sometimes there's just nothing you can do. Let's flip it over and do the other side. Okay, I believe we're done with the pick and pull. I think. Take a look. Oh, there's one. Come on. There we go. Gotcha. Nasty. catch. all of these top pads are going to come off anyway. When I clean this, they're all going to come off. So it doesn't really matter. That one just came off. Actually, it didn't come off. It was just a ring of crust. Don't you get up there again. No. Oops, ow. Okay. All right, that's done. Oh, sheesh. So I'll bring the camera down and let you have a look at the board. Get this crap off. Ow, 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 that's hot. Ooh, 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 that is hot. Ooh. I can't put that in the trash just yet. It's too hot. All right. There's a RAM. Oh, let's turn this guy off. Okay. Here's where we're at, guys. I'm going to clean all of this off. This whole area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything off the board, all the RAMs and ROMs and these socketed chips. I'm going to remove all that again. And I'm going to take some sandpaper. I'm going to wet this thing down a little bit, and I'm just going to sand it lightly when it's wet to kind of just remove until all this crap is removed. And then I'll give it another little vinegar bath. And then we should be good to go with this thing. Finally. Okay, and here is the board after stripping, a little light sanding, wet sanding on both sides. And I'll just kind of show you. I think it came out really super good. In the back side, I got to repair that right there again, but yeah. No more corrosion. Yeah. So this thing will be repopulated and ready to go. And I'll make sure I'll go through and do continuity tests, and anything that looks suspicious at all, I'll beep out. But yeah, it should be pretty straightforward.